In the heart of Europe's digital transformation, choosing the right cloud service is pivotal for success. Businesses face a maze of options, with ROI and client satisfaction at the core of their journey. AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud emerge as beacons, but which leads to the best destination? Let's dissect their offerings, starting with AWS's robust infrastructure and expansive services. Azure's integration with Microsoft's ecosystem offers familiarity and seamless transitions. Google Cloud's AI and data analytics prowess promise cutting-edge solutions. The true test lies in real-world applications. Europe's market is the proving ground. Case studies reveal AWS's scalability, driving impressive returns for diverse industries. Azure's clients tout enhanced productivity, thanks to its harmonious software blend. Google Cloud's adopters highlight transformative analytics that redefine their operations. The dilemma intensifies as we weigh the impact of each on ROI and client contentment. Data speaks volumes, with satisfaction scores and ROI figures leading to informed decisions. The verdict? There's no one-size-fits-all. Success hinges on aligning with your unique needs. Europe's cloud landscape is dynamic, and the right choice today can propel a business into tomorrow. Embark on your cloud transformation with confidence, guided by knowledge and strategic insight.